All right, today we're diving into something called the silent infrastructure thesis. It's this fascinating idea about two crypto assets, XLM and HBAR, and the argument that they're quietly, behind the scenes, rewiring the entire foundation of global finance. So where does this whole idea come from? Well, it starts with a feeling. Our source material paints this picture of an analyst, kind of half awake, just staring at a single line, buried deep in some corporate update. And then bam, in that quiet moment, this one thought just cuts through everything. This changes everything. And look, this wasn't some big headline or a massive hype cycle. It was the opposite. It was a quiet signal, right? An almost invisible detail that, according to the source, hinted at this huge shift happening just under the surface, a shift that pretty much everyone else was completely missing. And that brings us to the big question at the heart of this whole thesis, doesn't it?
If these projects are really so important, why the silence? Well, the source tackles this head-on. The argument is that the silence isn't a bad thing. It's not a sign of failure or that nothing's happening. No, it's actually evidence that something much, much bigger, something truly foundational, is being built.
And this next part, this quote, really gets to the core of it all. It's such a great metaphor for the whole thesis. Because you don't pump plumbing, you don't pump infrastructure. I mean, think about it. You don't see commercials for the steel beams in a skyscraper or the wiring in your house. You just expect them to work, invisibly, reliably. You just build them. So what you're seeing here is the huge contrast that the source is trying to draw. You've got two different approaches, right? On one side, you have the loud projects. They're all about hype, marketing, price pumps. They're built for investors who are just chasing the next big story. But then, on the other side, you have the quiet projects. They're focused on building real infrastructure, real-world utility. They're not built for investors, they're built for the world. They're built on the idea that the system simply cannot fail. Okay, so let's get into the first big piece of this puzzle, Stellar, also known as XLM, and what the source claims its role is in all of this. Now, the source makes it really clear. Stellar isn't being positioned as just another crypto to speculate on. No, the idea is that it's a direct replacement for the old, clunky, expensive financial rails that move trillions of dollars around the world every single day. The goal here isn't hype, it's pure, unadulterated utility. So what does that actually mean? Well, the core idea is that Stellar is supposedly building the exact toolkit that the next generation of finance is going to need. We're talking about the nuts and bolts here. Tokenizing real-world assets, handling massive institutional transfers, bridging to CBDCs, even building compliance tools right into the chain. These are the specific things you need to, say, connect a major bank in Kenya to a small business over in Brazil, instantly and cheaply. And this quote just nails that whole stealth-building narrative. It's like they're building a new financial engine inside a garage and they don't want anyone noticing until they're ready to turn the ignition. It's this idea that this whole new engine is being put together, piece by piece, out of sight, so that when they finally turn that key, the shift is going to feel sudden, maybe even shocking, to a world that just wasn't paying attention.
But here's the thing. According to this thesis, Stellar is only half the story. And this is where the second asset, Hedera, or HBAR, comes into play.
And this is really the core of the whole argument. The idea is that XLM and HBAR are not competitors at all. Instead, they're two sides of the same coin, two perfectly matched pieces of a new economic engine. Think of it like this. Stellar provides the rails, the super-fast highways for money to move on. And Hedera provides the trust layer. It's the public, verifiable, unchangeable record that proves every single thing happening on those highways is legit. It really is that simple. One moves the value, the other proves the value. Stellar builds the fast, compliant roads for money. Hedera provides the bulletproof, auditable, final proof that everything on those roads is exactly what it's supposed to be. Secure, legitimate, done. And yeah, this quote here captures that aha moment we talked about earlier. It felt like watching two sides of the same engine finally click into alignment. It's that instant where you stop seeing two separate projects and instead see two essential parts of the same machine, finally coming together to power something brand new. So to wrap things up, the source frames this whole convergence not just as a crypto thing, but as a massive historic turning point. One that actually follows a really familiar pattern we've seen before with other technologies. And a huge part of that final argument is this simple truth. Big shifts happen quietly.
Real revolutions don't start with a bang and a bunch of fireworks. They start in silence. They get ignored, dismissed, right up until it's too late to ignore them anymore.
And to prove the point, the source draws these parallels to other huge shifts. I mean, remember the early 90s when the internet was just moving from government labs to the public? Or the mid-2000s when smartphones started to quietly replace everyone's PC? Or even how streaming just crept in and took over from cable TV? All of them felt kind of small or niche at first, all while they were completely rewiring society in the background. And that's the final point, really. The revolution is only obvious in hindsight. By the time everybody agrees that a massive change has happened, it's already over. The opportunity to be there at the very beginning is gone. And the suggestion from the source is that right now is one of those quiet, foundational moments for a brand new financial system. Which leaves us with the final provocative question posed by the source and the perfect way to end this explainer. Is the silence about to crack? We're left to wonder if this whole thesis is right, that this long, quiet period of building is finally coming to an end and a whole new era of adoption and a lot more noise is just about to begin.
Stay ahead in the crypto market. Subscribe now for the latest global news and updates.